Hi viewers, how are you all doing? Hope you are doing great. Welcome to my online lesson. So in this video, I'm going to give you some of the rules, algebraic rules that has been causing problem because we have some of our students out there that are finding it difficult to solve simple algebraic expression. Why? Because these rules, you understand that I'm going to talk about, some of them are finding it difficult to understand. And there are a lot of things that you need to know before you can solve problems related to algebraic expression. Now, the error one is when you have a number over 0, it is not equals to 0. So anytime you have an ordinary number, let's say 3 over 0, the answer is not 0. That's why sometimes when you check your calculator, you see error. Yeah, it is error because it is indeterminate. It is indeterminate. So likewise, when you also have a number divided by 0, it is not a number. For example, you have, let's say, 4 divided by 0, the answer is not 4. All these are things that you need to know. So anytime you are dividing number by 0, it is not 0, it is error. But when you are dividing 0 by a number, that's when you will have 0. So 0 divided by 6 will give me 0. 0 divided by 2 will give me 0. You understand? That's error 1. Now error 2. Error 2 is when you have a number to the power of a negative number to the power of anything. Now, if you have something like this, it is still the same thing as the negative power of the number. For example, let's say you have minus 2 to the power of 2. The answer is not going to be 4. Now, this will give me minus 2 to the power of 2, and that will be minus into 4. The answer will be minus 4. The answer will be minus 4. When you have minus 3 to the power of 2, it is minus 3 all squared, and that will be minus into 9. So the answer will be minus 9. So equally, when I have minus 4 squared and I have something like this, that doesn't mean that the answer will change to positive. Why? Because the square is not on the bracket, it is on the number. So this will equally give me minus 16, and the answer will remain minus 16. But in a situation where I have minus 2 all squared, this is when it will turn to minus times minus. And that will now be minus 2 times minus 2, and the answer will now be 4. So it is only when you have a bracket to the power of, as in the negative number is into a bracket. Then also, there are times that you have something like this that will also turn to negative. Let's say you have minus 3, or let me put minus 2 to the power of 3. You know, this one is a prime number, isn't it? So that will be minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2. So that will be minus times minus plus times minus minus. That will be minus 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. We have cases like that. Alright. That's error 2. Now, the error 3. The error 3 is when you have something like this, x to the power of n into n. It is not equals to x to the power of n plus n. It is not equal. Meanwhile, what you have here is the same thing as x to the power of n into n is equals to x to the power of n times n, which you are expected to have n or n as the case may be. Okay, m n. You understand? Now let me give you an example. Let's say we have 2 to the power of 2 all into 3. That is 2 is times, not added. We are not adding together. So that will be times 3. And the answer will give me 2 to the power of 6. So which means that I will have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 into 6 times 2, and the answer will give me perhaps 64. You understand? So it is not also 2 times 6. It is 2. We are multiplying 2 6 times, not direct multiplication. Do you understand? So that is error 3. Now, the error 4. Error 4 is when you have something like this: A into B plus C. It is not the same thing as A over B plus A over C. It is not equal. It is not equal. But when you have B plus C over A, then you may equate it to B over A plus C over A. You understand? So this is the only reason why you can have something like this. But when you have this like this, you can never be like this. You can't break it down to this form. Do you understand? So take note of that, please. Take note of that. So that is the error 2. For example, let's say we have 3 over 5x plus 7. This one now. You cannot write it as this. It is not the same thing as 3 over 5x plus 3 over 7. It is not equal. But this one is equals to, when you have it like this, 5x plus 7 over 3 is the same thing as 5x over 3 plus 7 over 3. You understand? So that is error 4. Let me give you one more before I leave. Let me give you one more. Then the error 5. Error 5 is when you have, let's say you have x2 plus x3. It is not the same thing as x to the power of minus 2, x to the power of minus 3. It is not equal. But when you have something like this, it is the same thing as x to the power of 2 plus x to the power of 3 all into minus 1. You can write it like that. But in this form, it is not correct. Do you understand? So join me next time when I will be continuing a lesson on algebraic errors. That's when I'm going to proceed from error 5 to the next level. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.